Baby guinea pigs are born with full fur, running and making popcorn sounds.
Huh?
Baby guinea pigs aren't born hairless or blind. They enter the world with full fur eyes, wide open teeth, ready and can run around just hours after birth. When super happy baby guinea pigs suddenly burst into mid-air jumps and random twists, this hilarious behavior is literally called popcorning. Even though they still nurse from their mom baby, guinea pigs are already capable of nibbling on solid hay and fresh veggies on their very first day of life.